location matters most, this home delivers on every level. Your steps from Rockridge Park and just minutes to Pine Nursery Park. Schools, dining, retail, and easy Highway 97 access. This is the kind of Northeast Bend location people move for. Come inside and let me show you around. Inside this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a spacious bonus room offers 1,854 square feet of bright, comfortable living on an oversized 0.17-acre lot. The first thing you'll notice is how light and inviting this home feels. The floor plan flows naturally and gives you flexibility for how life actually happens. Whether you're hosting friends, working from home, or just enjoying a quiet night, the space feels open and easy. And this bonus room gives you options: media room, playroom, office, guest space, you decide. One of my favorite features is this oversized primary suite. It feels like a true retreat and gives you room to relax and unwind at the end of the day. Step outside and you'll find a peaceful backyard with room to garden, entertain, or simply enjoy a little more breathing room. Plus, with new exterior paint and a newer roof, many of the big ticket items are already done. Homes in this neighborhood with this lifestyle, location, and layout don't come around often. Call today to schedule your private tour.